I'm in a washroom. This is at the terminal building in Creston. The manager's around, and he's like, "Oh yeah, the terminal building's got a washroom, even got a shower." What? No, I didn't expect to have a shower camping here, but there's a shower. And I'll show you the main room out of the washroom here in a moment. Just getting ready for bed. This is it. Creston Airport. I'm parked up there where those planes are. Really nice. I think I will plan a flight from this chair. And there's a guest book. I put our name in the guest book. See, this is nice. Oh, I might have a coffee tomorrow. Look at that. That would be awesome. Okay, bye. My plane's over there in the darkness. Going to bed. It's actually not that late, but I'm tired. Yes, I'm still in my sleeping bag. So what? That's what happens at airport camping events. I was just planning my flight for tomorrow. For like an hour and a half. I looked up a lot at the weather and a lot at the wind, and just booked the hotel in Medicine Hat. Just like literally like seconds ago. Okay, I'm gonna try to set you up for a good viewing. Backtrack, he's airborne within seconds. Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good. Hey. Good.
Oh,
Yeah, it's starting to pack up.
Are you videoing pack up?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't worry about that. Yeah, let's fast forward it for a pack up.
Ah,
Yeah. How are you doing?
good.
The weather looks great, hey?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty. I was gonna leave at 9, but if I pack up sooner, I might leave a bit sooner.
Sure.
Yeah.
A little shitty to the south. I see a not so nice little one cloud.
Yeah.
Usually it's over Sand Point, so it's no big issue.
Well, yeah. I'm just gonna follow the VFR route for the most part.
Oh, okay.
Um,
You're not going to go IFR? I follow roads.
Oh yeah,
I don't
that's
have to
true.
speak, right?
That's true. I will do a little IFR too. Yeah. Yeah. How are you doing this morning?
Good. Good.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Wait, you take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Kenny. Good morning. You brought that rip off with you? Hey, I didn't recognize you out there climbing under that tent. What happened?
A video.
Okay.
That's all. Awesome. Sir? Thank you. Well,
My name's on the back, so don't
Don't
disgrace me.
Don't disgrace you. I will not disgrace you. I really appreciate the tour, and yeah, I'm looking forward to looking up your videos, some of your routines and stuff. Yeah, Rod was in last night, and he took me up for a flight in his 1947.
Aranca Chief?
What do you call it? A key?
Chief. Aranca Chief.
Aranca. That's what.
Yeah.
Aranca. Yeah, it was awesome. Really cool.
Yeah, it's cheap flying.
Yeah, he said like 5 miles an hour, 4.5.
Yeah.
5 miles. This is awesome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Much appreciated, Mike.
Going with you guys? Is he going along? One more time? Is he coming with you?
No. He just wanted your number.
Oh.
I'll take my phone from you. I'm sure that'll work.
Yeah, it's fortunate here because I'm so open. I can get this incredible photo.
Right. Yeah. Well. Yeah.
You handle some breakfast?
Good day, sir. Can I handle some breakfast? What you got?
Breakfast sandwiches.
Yeah.
I tried. I didn't have. I should have got your phone number yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh.
He left it in the bathroom wall.
Oh yeah, dude. That's like a local joke. I heard someone else say that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Breakfast over on there.
I
I got
would take
coffee.
one of those.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You got a few
Thank
minutes,
you,
eh?
sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this from your
So
home?
like, yeah. I called you, left you. I know my number will show up on your phone.
Yeah, I did. I phoned it right back. I was going to say, don't let that kid go. I got breakfast for him.
Oh, geez. Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. No, I
you called me
haven't.
right back.
I did. And it said, this number, I think I made it. It didn't go right back because it's Bonneville, Alberta.
Mike just gave me a bottle of wine too. This is crazy.
Getting all the spoils.
Yeah, I got coffee here. If you drink coffee?
Yeah. Oh, here, can you carry something or something? Here, I'll turn this off.
I got one more.
Well, I'm gonna get going. You're heading up. Things are gonna get done. I haven't taken a video of any people yet. On the trip, so you can be the first one eating your sandwich.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
I was watching your video last night. I thought, shit. I mean, that's a course in itself, isn't it?
Taking
Learning
a
how to do all that.
Doing which?
The video.
Oh yeah, it just I don't know. Every day I'm trying to learn.
Yeah.
I don't know if you looked at some of the first ones already. Like I'm trying to get better. I just bought like a program you could just buy. You know, it's all subscription now.
What is it?
Yeah, if you ever buy any like video editing, it's always like, oh, $40 a month or whatever. Like depending. So I just bought one that you could. It was like $80, but you buy it. You
Cheers.
have it for like. Those skills now, I feel like it's only in those communities.
Yeah. He's got a wide open, there's 14 miles an hour flowing through there. Yeah, and you'll throttle it back and then come back to, 10 But he'll be flying 174, something like that, miles an hour.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know in my aviation career here if it's going to be something where I'm like, oh, I want to get places faster now, or if
Yeah.
I'm going to be the type who's more like, no, I just like this is my thing.
Yeah.
Like, right now I think it's just slow and
Yeah.
enjoyment.
Yeah. Yeah, I like being up there, right? So I don't care if I'm doing 50 miles an hour, 500, right?
Yeah.
And I sure like flying through the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's good value.
Yeah, sounds like you're ready for your next adventure. You said in 2 weeks you're free to do whatever you want.
Pretty well. I've got 120 meat birds on the go, right? So, yeah, my wife could look after them, and then we take them down to Mennonite guy, and he'll slaughter them for me. They've got to be government inspected if I'm going to sell them.
Okay, is that what you do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Differently.
The cougars come here?
Oh yeah, they're around.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You have more hobbies than you let on. It's a whole little,
Yeah.
it's a whole side
It's like,
project.
how the hell did I do all this when I was working full time?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. And a day like today, it would be. Well, I have to go to work, but when I retired, I never got rid of my day book. Right? So I'd plan my day out. Do the lawn, do this, do that, do the other. There's an old AME up there, and I hike in the bush with the dog, and he come down there, and I had coffee with him, and we started bullshitting and looking through photo albums, and he fixed all sorts of things. He was up Smithers way,
Okay.
and I was going home, and I looked, and I was like, shit, it's 11 o'clock, and I started running, because I wouldn't finish my day, and I thought, wait a minute, I'm retired. Yeah.
That's funny.
And the other one was I was ripping around on the lawnmower. We had quite a bit of lawn to do. And I think, geez, it's a good day for motorcycling. This freaking lawn, that, wait a minute,
I can do that.
I could switch it off, got on my motorcycle, 500 kilometers.
Wow.
Later, I come home at 6 o'clock. Logan's going too early.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm actually not going straight, right? I'm gonna stop in Hanover for about a month.
Where's Hanover?
In Ontario.
Okay.
My hometown.
Yeah.
That's when I'm gonna take my friends and family up.
Yeah.
Never been.